name is, yeah, nice to meet you too. Your name is Priti,
Priti, right?
right? Pretty. Pretty. Another meaning is very beautiful,
Yes,
right? Pretty. Pretty
yes, yes,
good.
right. Thank you so much.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yes,
Okay.
and your second name, like last name is
Gupta. Gupta.
Gupta. Gupta, right?
It's a surname. Here
Pretty.
is a we are yeah, we are mentioning here in India like a surname in after the name. Like some country are
Mm.
using the surname in before the name.
Oh, yeah. So that is your family name, right?
Yes. Right,
Oh,
right.
Gupta.
Gupta.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah, we can discuss about the
yeah.
topic. Like any food that brings back specific memories. Tell me more about it.
Oh, actually, in China we have a lots of like a food for festival. Do you know that, right? Let me check it. Like a mid autumn festival. Do you know that in China? You don't
No.
know, right? It is the date is like the 15th of August. The 15th of August, like the August like a lunar. We use the lunar calendar. On that day, the moon is very round. Is the most round, right? 15th,
Mm-hmm.
the 15th. Mm. So yeah, so we make the moon cake. I think you have you ever heard about a moon
No.
cake?
No. Mooncake.
Moon cake, cake.
Mooncake.
Yeah.
Cake.
Yes,
I also
moon
used
cake.
the
We call
cake, but I don't know it's a moon cake, like a moon cake. I don't know about that
yes,
your dishes.
moon cake.
Okay.
Make it like a like
It's a
a
cake
the,
form, right? It's a
this
cake form. It's a moon cake. Like
yes
they are just creating a moon cake, right?
yeah
Okay.
yes
So
and
what
also yes
ingredients they are putting there?
could you see that again? Repeat it again.
What ingredients we are putting there in the moon cake?
Oh, actually it is like it's a symbol of like a reunion. The whole family come
Okay.
together. They get together, gather. Yes, from different places. Just come back home.
So they you are
Reunion.
saying about like a moon cake was there is a festival was there? So like
Yes,
all families
festival.
are meeting together and celebrating that festival, right?
Yes. We eat the moon cake. We eat the moon cake for the festival. Yeah.
Okay, so that is the specific in your country. Okay, I didn't heard, but I will see on Google like what type of celebration was there in your country, and what is the moon cake, whatever you are saying. Okay, I used
Yeah.
its specific memory foods. Okay, any foods that brings back a specific. Okay, foods is that like I just like to cashew cake here in India. So I like to eat too much. Like if I don't like sweets food, but when I
Sweet
got
food.
the cashew cake, so I just put it 5 to 10 more pieces also because I liked it. So I just put somewhere like when I used, then I can eat it. Two more pieces I can eat it, but like we are taking about any other sweet dishes, so we are not liking. I like some like salty things, salty things I like
Salty.
it. Yeah, salty.
You don't you don't like the sweet stuff, right? You like salty
Yeah, I
salty
like
food.
salty foods.
Actually, it's much more healthy, right, than sweet food.
Yeah, but it's depend on person by person. Like I like salty food, but my kids are liking sweet food. They are
Mm,
liking always.
yeah,
My elder one is
yeah.
liking sweet food. My younger one like always salty food like me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So what
That's
about you?
interesting. Yes. Me actually, yes, yes. Recent years, of course, when I was young, I like sweet food, of course, right? But right now, we just yeah take too much care about our body, right?
Yes, yes.
So just reduce the sweets, the sugar. Yeah, if something full of sugar, I just reduce it. And
Right,
so
everyone have to take a care of your body and health, so that is why nowadays everyone taking the less food of sugar, like less sweets of
yeah,
food,
yeah,
right?
yes, you're right, you're right.
Yeah,
And yeah, so yes, and yeah, talk about like uh, do you want to share your like daily life?
yeah. Yes, daily
Yeah,
life.
so yeah, daily life. So could
Yeah,
you
daily
like
life. Nowadays I'm improving my skills, so I used a conversational video, like prefer to talk more and more live conversation with the person on this platform, so that my fluency will be improved. And other than them,
yes.
like simultaneously I create my YouTube channel as well, so that will be upload on my channel whatever the conversation we are doing here and other platform.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
I know you guys actually the English as your like a yes. I have other things to do. Maybe next time we can talk more, right? All right.
Yes.
Actually, I think you guys can speak English very fluently because the official language, right? Kind of like English as
Yeah,
your
here is
second
the
language.
official language of the English. Yeah, that is why. Like every
Yeah.
people are trying to connect, like in English in office. Like if you are at home, like they are using only mother tongue. But if you are